And the race is on. Shine again, survey says. Sorry, Black Label. Makikiraan po. Is running at the tail of the field. Survey says. Shine again, sorry. Racing Imports, check. Mi Amor, Black Label. Poker Chip. Makikiraan po. Second last, and Brad is the tail ender. Back to the front runner. Survey says. Followed now by Black Label by Darrell. Shine again, sorry, Poker Chip, makikiraan po, and Brad still the tail ender. Now, the course of the win has been altered with Black Label takes the lead. Check, Mi Amor in second, Poker Chip, Racing Oriasa, Brad! Moving up in between horses and still moving up as they race the last 450. Black Label, Che, Mi Amor, Brad! Barreling Danori inside, and with the last 300 meters more to run, Black Label, Brad, Che, Mi Amor is already outside. Poker Chip also rushing up. Black Label, Brad, Che, Mi Amor, makikiraan po, and nearing the finish line, Black Label second, Brad close with makikiraan po, Che, Mi Amor, Poker Chip, Shine Again, sorry, survey says.
Okay, crossing the